Hello everyone. Let's open our discussion with a thought-provoking question. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to achieve more in less time with less effort? The answer often lies in advanced strategies and emerging technologies that enhance productivity and efficiency. Today, we're going to explore advanced approaches and strategies that can transform how you manage tasks and achieve your goals. By the end of today's lecture, you will be able to understand advanced productivity strategies, identify emerging technologies that can enhance efficiency, apply these strategies and technologies to improve your academic and personal life. Advanced productivity strategies go beyond the basics and involve sophisticated techniques that can significantly enhance your efficiency and output. The 80-20 principle suggests that 80% of the results come from 20% of your efforts. Identifying and focusing on these high-impact activities can dramatically increase your productivity. If you are a student, you might find that 20% of your study methods lead to 80% of your understanding and retention. Focus more on these effective methods. A business professional named Sarah used the 80-20 principle to streamline her workflow. She focused her efforts on a few key client relations that generated the majority of her revenue, leading to a boost in her income and efficiency. Task batching involves grouping similar tasks together and completing them in one go. This reduces the cognitive load of switching between different types of tasks. A student, Mark, used to get distracted by emails and messages while studying. This distraction led to reduced focus on his studies and less efficient assignment completion. The solution involved batching all communication tasks into a single time block. This strategy enabled him to focus better on his studies and complete his assignments more effectively. Emerging technologies are revolutionizing how we work and learn. These tools can enhance your productivity and efficiencies in ways you might not have imagined. AI and machine learning can automate routine tasks and help you make data-driven decisions. Tools like Grammarly use AI to improve your writing by checking grammar and style. AI-powered scheduling assistant can help you manage your calendar more efficiently. Virtual reality and augmented reality are transforming education and training. These technologies can create immersive experiences that can enhance learning and engagement. Medical students can use VR simulations to practice surgeries in a risk-free environment. AR can enhance study materials by overlaying interactive content on textbooks. To fully benefit from these advanced strategies and technologies, it's essential to incorporate them into your daily routine effectively. Begin by incorporating one or two strategies or technologies into your routine. Gradually add more as you become more comfortable. Start with time blocking and using a productivity app like Trello. As you get used to these, explore other tools and techniques. Tailor the strategies and tools to suit your personal preferences and needs. What works for one person might not work for another. If you prefer visual organization, use tools like Trello or Notion. If you like detailed analytics, explore AI-driven tools that provide insights and recommendations. Here's an assignment for you. Write an interactive blog post that includes multimedia elements like videos, infographics, interactive charts to explain how you use the advanced strategy and technology. Thank you for being such an engaged audience today. Incorporating advanced strategies and emerging technologies into your workflow can significantly enhance your productivity and open the door to achieving your goals more efficiently. Have a great rest of your week.